We make Christmas ornaments and decor for a living. So why are we making DIY mask sewing kits? Well, there were a lot of people in our town who welcomed a more comfortable design, but they didn't have anything that was working for them. Our family also struggled with the current homemade options, and so I began to search to find a mask with better features. A mask that really is more comfortable, a mask that fits well, a mask I can actually breathe in, and one that has a filter pocket built right into it and high-quality filters with no dyes. A mask that you can just throw in the washer and the dryer. Sound impossible? After doing a lot of research, I came across an amazing sewing shop called Sway, who sewed and distributed thousands and thousands of masks to people in Los Angeles. And, thankfully, they shared their pattern. I love sewing, so I dug right in. I did some tweaking to the pattern. I also redesigned the filter pocket and said goodbye to elastic and hello to soft, stretchy cotton knit. So I started sewing masks, and I started with my family. We loved them. Meanwhile, my local doc contacted me and urgently requested masks for her clinic and staff and patients. Our clinic loved their masks, and so did our pharmacist. Our postman, our local merchants, and our dear friends really appreciated them. After offering masks to my niece and her husband, she said, "Hey, what about all my family?" I said, "Sure, I'll make 2 other sizes that will work." And even the kids love them. One thing led to another, and after sewing over 50 masks, I wanted to get back to my passion of creating ornaments again. I wished I could make masks for everyone who wanted one, but I knew I needed a better idea. I know lots of people love to sew. How about take everything you need for this special mask and provide it all in one ready-to-sew kit with the pre-cut fabrics, great DIY instructions, filters, flexible nose piece, everything you need, all in one kit. And we'll offer kits for the whole family. And how about make sure people can wear the mask 3 different ways? The double tie-back option, one that is just the ear loops, and a third option that's actually a combination of both. So you can take your mask off without losing it and put it back on again with the comfort of ear loops. With only the 3 of us, and many months of people testing masks and fabrics, sewing, did I mention sewing? Our kits are now done and ready to sew. We have more fabric choices, color and trim options, and patterns to choose from, especially prints that kids are going to love. We even have a gift bag with filters and care instructions for your completed mask. So why not make a mask for yourself, for someone you know that loves the idea of a more comfy, breathable, form-fitting mask as much as we do.